Huh? How it's going? Good? Yeah? Oh, nice.
Of course, this is stable food.
Really good. So you're gonna put
You like my food? I put the garlic on it.
yeah,
The garlic.
good. Yeah, good.
That's for Kuman.
Yeah, it's good. Should be good.
It's gonna be nice.
Okay, let's make a video with this one. Okay?
Hope you would like it.
It's good.
The Filipino Salpicao. You know
Okay.
what's this one? This is Filipino Salpicao.
Salpicao. What's that?
It's a beef.
Oh, it's a beef. Okay.
Salpicao.
Okay. Yeah, it must be good.
It's not
Okay?
it's yummy.
Yeah. What on the top?
Garlic. Fresh garlic. Here you go. This is Salpicao.
Oi!
Do you like it? Try here.
Okay,
Open the
let's try. Okay. Try. はい、いただきます。Oh! Nice!
Really? Or is it too
It's good, it's good. Maybe you cook a little bit too much. Okay. But it's
But
good.
it's good.
It's good.
Is it tender? But it's
Yeah, supposed to be tender.
it's
But
not.
no, it's tender. It's good. It's good. But you could make it more tender. It's good. It's good.
Why are you making video?
Today is the first day. You make the food for me. So. Huh?
Didn't you like it?
I like it. Thank you.